Hello, today we are going to learn data preprocessing and machine learning. Data preprocessing is the first step in any data analysis project. It involves cleaning, transforming, and reducing the data to prepare it for analysis. The quality of the output from any data analysis project depends on the quality of the input data, making data preprocessing critical. Data cleaning involves removing or correcting errors, inconsistencies, and outliers in the data. Common data cleaning techniques include filling in missing data, removing duplicates, and correcting typos. The goal of data cleaning is to ensure the data is accurate, complete, and consistent. Data transformation involves converting the data from one format to another, such as from a text file to a database. Common data transformation techniques include normalization, aggregation, and feature scaling. The goal of data transformation is to make the data more useful for analysis. Data reduction involves reducing the size of the data while retaining as much of the relevant information as possible. Common data reduction techniques include sampling, feature selection, and dimensionality reduction. The goal of data reduction is to make the data easier to work with and to improve analysis performance. There are many tools available for data preprocessing, including Excel, Python, and R. Excel is often used for simple data cleaning and transformation tasks. Python and R are more powerful tools that can handle more complex preprocessing tasks and are used extensively in data science. Always start with a clear understanding of the problem you are trying to solve and the data you have available. Document all of the preprocessing steps you take and the reasons for each step. Always validate your preprocessing results to ensure the data is accurate and suitable for analysis. Data preprocessing is a critical step in any data analysis project. It involves cleaning, transforming, and reducing the data to prepare it for analysis. By following best practices and using the right tools, you can ensure your data preprocessing efforts lead to accurate and useful insights. Thank you for watching us. Stay tuned for next part.